chocolat français or French chocolate mousse.
In order to prepare French chocolate mousse, you will need 6 ounces of chopped semi-sweet baking chocolate,
3 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter,
half teaspoon cream of tartar,
1/4 tasse plus 2 tablespoons of la sucre,
half tasse of cold heavy cream,
1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 eggs.
A heat-proof bowl and a saucepan containing water or a double boiler, a whisk or mixer, 2 bowls. One has to be kind of cold, and separate glasses to put the mousse
So
in.
let's get started. The first thing we need to do is melt the chocolate and the bowl. In order to melt the chocolate in the bowl, you will need a double boiler, or in this case, 2 saucepans. You will fill the biggest saucepan with water, 3/4 of water, and then place the smaller saucepan on top of it. Then you will place both saucepans on the stove where they will start getting heated up. Then you will take your butter and your chocolate and place it in the top saucepan. You let the chocolate and the bowl melt together. So you will need 6 ounces of chocolate. Each of these squares is 1 ounce. And 3 tablespoons of le beurre. You need to melt it until smooth. So let's raise the heat a little. And let it melt there. As you can see, it has started to it's melted together, and now it is very, very smooth. So our next step will be take off the saucepans out of the stove and let it cool for a little bit. Now that the chocolate is melted and it's nice and smooth, we need to add the egg yolks. So whisk it together. Can you hold the pad?
In another bowl, whisk the egg whites until mousse or foamy. While the eggs are turning foamy, I'll tell you a little bit about French chocolate mousse. It originated in France sometime around the 1850s. French indulged in the dark chocolate, but we used semi-sweet baking chocolate.
So now that the egg yolks have gotten foamy, we will add 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And we will mix it together again and let it get a tiny bit more foamy. Gradually start adding the sucre and continue beating until stiff peaks form. So as you can see now, the eggs with the sugar have become a little bit stiff, which is what we wanted.
Now we've had this bowl in the refrigerator for a couple minutes. Now let's beat the heavy cream until it begins to foam and thicken up. Now let's open the sugar. And half a tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Now let's take the plate with the egg whites and put it inside the chocolate mixture. Once that is done, we need to gently mix it together. And it will start turning a little bit lighter. Chocolate mixture and add it to the whipped heavy cream. Now that's done, we're going to start mixing it together. Be careful not to overwork the mousse. So now that it has that moussey feeling, you can separate it to different glasses, separate glasses, and if you want to decorate it, you can put a little bit of whipped cream on top with some fruits on top to make it look better. So some separate glasses or cups, we can put in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and let it cool down.